We had an overnight short squeeze beginning with an hourly chart flag through that 74.50 area, and they took out some of the levels we talked about in yesterday's webinar. 62.90 was kind of the big one where shorts were going to be stopping out. But there's one more level left here overhead, and that's 63.15. And the reason that level is very relevant is because Monday was a reversal signal on the 4-hour chart, and the shorts that had entered on that 62.90 break or on the 4-hour chart signal here would be stopping out over 63.15. So it could be a really interesting place to look for an exhaustion move and a potential counter trend short signal. So yeah, like I talked about in pre-market here, we have a good trend on the 15-minute chart all the way through pre-market into the open today, and we're quite extended from that 15-minute EMA. So this correlates well with the setup that I take if we get a signal for short over 63.15. So that's exactly what I'm currently looking for if we can get one more push up there and the setup to form. Yeah, I'm hoping they can just hang on here, because this would be a totally valid setup to take that 63.12 short. So the trigger would be 11.75 now.
Order filled.
Okay, so still a lot of room there to the 5-minute chart, guys. So, should be okay to get some covers around 09, and I'd like to, try to scoop a couple just over 08 and just under 08 here on the pullback. If we close this 15-minute chart candle, then break the low of it on the next candle coming in 40 seconds, that should help us get another target going to the downside. Okay, so far looking like a lot of exhaustion going on that 15-minute chart. Any longs that bought that flag made a big mistake there, so hopefully they pay for it and get forced out under 08 here to get us some more covers. Okay, so here we go, guys. I'm going to be taking some covers like pretty close right under that 06 area.
Order filled.
Getting some more covers in the 04 area, hoping for some 03. There we go. There we go, guys. Yeah, the stop actually gets moved now, guys, to in the money 08.75.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
I got fully filled on one account there, and I got a small trail on another one just in case I want more. This is pretty much the move. Lovely play out for that setup.
Order filled. Order filled. Order canceled.
All right, guys. I just got the rest out at 91. That's the big support we've been looking at, and I would normally just keep a trail on after a deal.